Introduce features interest for MK.Bear DIY mug press machine, 3rd generation. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Newly upgraded the 3rd generation MK.Bear mug heat press, to create personalized mugs, which is efficient, perfect, lifelike, and anti-flaking. The cup heat press adopts high-strength engineering plastics, which is lighter in weight, smaller in size and more powerful. The weight is only 2.6 pounds, and it can be stored in any small space without taking up space. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.